Think of a gem as your personal AI specialist. Instead of giving Gemini a long list of instructions every time you start a new chat, a gem comes preloaded with your specific rules and goals. Today, I'll show you how to pull one off the shelf and get straight to work. On the web interface, your gems live in the left sidebar. If you use one frequently, like this Spotify content writer, hover over the 3 dots and click the pin icon. This keeps it at the very top for instant access. If you haven't built one yet, click Gems to see Google's pre-made experts like the Writing Editor or Brainstormer. On mobile, it's just as easy. Tap the menu icon in the top left, then select Gems. Tap your chosen gem to open a dedicated chat window. You'll know it's active because the gem's name will appear right at the top of your conversation. Now, just chat like you normally would. I'm asking for a high-level market analysis. Because this is a Spotify content writer gem, the response isn't just a generic summary. It's formatted as a professional brief with the exact technical tone I programmed into it earlier. It remembers its persona, so I don't have to. If you want to switch topics but keep the same expert persona, click the gem name again. This gives you a clean slate while keeping the gem's underlying instructions active. It's the perfect way to stay organized across different projects without losing your AI's custom brain. That's how you use a gem. Select, pin, and chat. It's the fastest way to get high-quality, personalized results every time. Give it a shot with your next big project. I'll see you in the next tutorial.